Hello, and welcome to Cooking Lessons for Dad, where you'll learn to cook healthy, cook easy. My name is Breyer, and this is my dad, Don, and today we are making stovetop black-eyed peas. So, Dad, have you ever had black-eyed peas before?
No, this is going to be great, I think.
Yeah, this is a really amazing recipe. Easy to make, just a few ingredients, tastes great, healthy, filling. You're going to love it. So, the ingredients in this recipe are dried black-eyed peas, chopped onion, olive oil, minced garlic, oregano, water, and an instant chicken broth seasoning. The first thing that we need to do is when you have dry beans, you need to rinse and drain them. First, we're going to sort them, make sure there's no debris. Every once in a while there might be a stone or something that you don't want in there, so make sure and check and take those out. Next, we're going to go ahead and rinse and drain these. We'll do that next. In a colander, go ahead and just rinse them. Okay. So once they're rinsed and drained, go ahead and put them in a bowl, or you can put them in a pan because we're going to soak them at least 6 to 8 hours or overnight or during the day. So I have 6 to 8 cups of cold water. Just pour that over the top and we'll let these soak and we'll be back. So we have our soaked, rinsed, and drained beans. We're just going to set these aside for now, okay? So next we're going to go ahead and in a large pot, we're going to add our olive oil, 2 to 3 teaspoons. We're going to saute our onions. So just turn this on low heat, medium low. We'll wait till it gets hot. Okay, the oil is hot. We're going to go ahead and add 2.5 cups of chopped onions. You can add that. And we're just going to saute this until the onions are soft. We're going to have it on medium to medium-low heat. We'll just keep an eye on it. Stir it frequently. So the onions look pretty soft to me. We're going to go ahead and add the rest of our ingredients. We have 1 to 2 teaspoons of minced garlic. I have already prepared garlic, but you could mince your own. So you could just stir that in, Dad. 1 teaspoon of oregano. Then we have 6 cups of water. I have 4 cups here. Then I have 2 cups to make 6 cups. And then I have 6 teaspoons or 2 tablespoons of chicken broth seasoning, the instant variety. This is vegan. You can use another kind. I like this because it doesn't have any preservatives or additives. It tastes really, really good. And if you can't find it, I have a video on how to make your own vegan instant broth seasoning. You could also use regular chicken broth, liquid, in place of the seasoning and water. You could just use your own. Okay, you could dump that in. Stir it in. Last, we have our soaked beans that we already drained. Stir those in. So next we're going to bring our ingredients to a simmer. So we're going to increase the heat and we'll be back when it comes to a simmer. Okay, so our beans have come to a simmer. We're going to go ahead and put the lid on. We're going to simmer them for about 60 minutes or until the beans are as soft as we like them. I like them pretty soft, so we'll check them about 60 minutes. If they're not done, then we'll cook a little longer. Older beans take longer to cook. Also, if the simmer is lower, it'll take longer than if it's higher. Keep an eye on them while they're cooking, and if it takes too long to cook, you might need to add more water. So if the water goes down too much, add a little more. Okay, we'll see you soon. So I think our stovetop black-eyed peas are finished. I've checked it a couple times.
Oh, yeah.
Looks good. We're going to turn the heat off. So you ready to try it?
Yeah, let's go.
You can serve these black eyed peas over rice, quinoa, couscous, potatoes, just on the side. We've got some brown rice here. It's going to be really good. So you're ready to try?
Let's give this a try.
If you like, you can add a little salt.
Okay.
Try it first.
Well, let me try it first.
Yeah. There you go.
Yeah, that is good.
This is so good.
Oh,
I love it. Try it. I think you'll love it too. And I'll see you in the next lesson. You want a little salt on it? I think mine needs a little. This is really good.